What happens if the gut tastes a specific bitter phytochemical? It turns on an activity to release into the bloodstream hormones, this is called the enteroendocrine system, that regulate blood sugar and inflammation.
Wow. So flavor and the medicine of the food are totally connected.
Okay, so let's stop just for a moment. This is a weigh station. What is flavor connected to? Taste. What is taste connected to? Taste is connected to a neurosensory mechanism through a variety of different specialized cells that respond to specific tastings. Sweet, bitter, salty, umami. We know about sour. These are unique feature sets within our neurological system that then regulate to our brain some sensation saying pleasant or unpleasant. Now, let me take this a step farther. What we now recognize is that many of these phytochemicals, which have a sensory flavor of bitter, that those bitter sensors are not just on the tip of the tongue. They are distributed throughout our whole body.
Oh, wow.
We have taste receptors in our gut. Our gut is tasting. And what happens if the gut tastes a specific bitter phytochemical? It turns on an activity to release into the bloodstream hormones, this is called the enteroendocrine system, that regulate blood sugar and inflammation.
Wow.
So we have drugs now to treat diabetes, don't we? And those drugs that treat diabetes are called endocrine active hormonal drugs and incretin drugs. Yeah. What those drugs do is mimic bitter taste mechanisms.
Well, you know, it's so funny, Jeff, because in Chinese medicine, bitter melon,
that's
which
right.
It's like a melon that's really bitter, is really good for diabetes.
And it's been studied that those phytochemicals activate a specific cell type, actually in the enteroendocrine system of our gut, to release what's called GLP-1, glucagon-like peptide 1. Glucagon-like peptide 1 is a hormone that is now being used to activate and treat diabetes.
Amazing.